90% of men today have a weak jawline. While your genetics do have a very minor influence on it, but it's not quite the exact reason. This is all because of modern lifestyle. And without wasting any time, I'm walking you through exactly what's been destroying your jawline over years. We will go point by point so you can actually understand the problem first and fix what's actually been broken. Let's start. Number 1. Chewing without closing mouth. Chewing with your mouth open seems like a minor habit and nobody really talks about, but structurally, it's doing a real damage. When your lips are parted while you chew, your jaw never fully closes and your bite force drops significantly. The masseter never reaches full contraction and you've been skipping it every single meal for years now. On top of that, open mouth chewing usually means you're letting food do the work instead of your teeth, which is against how perfect chewing works. You've essentially been doing half reps on the one exercise that could have built your jaw and gave you that square face, masculine look. But look, I'm not here to demotivate any of you. You already know the fix. Today, when you're going to have your meal, I want you to take a bite. Close your mouth by sealing lips, and then start chewing on both sides equally. You will feel that your masseter muscle is actually contracting and giving you that heavy workout feeling. This is your sign that your masseter muscle needs more workout. Keep doing this in every single meal, and I swear in 1 year only, your face will look incredibly different than it used to, because hard work always pays off. Number 2. Always eating soft food. If you take a moment to recall what you ate today, you will come to realize that most of it was soft food that hardly needed any chewing. Your masseter muscle that creates square look at the back of your jaw never gets any real stimulus. It's like lifting a 1 kilogram dumbbells for years and expecting your arms to look like this. It doesn't make sense. So it stays flat and underdeveloped, just like any untrained muscle. You can be at 15% body fat and still have a weak jawline because the muscle underneath simply was never built. While being lean do help in jawline definition, but it doesn't solve the actual problem. It's about having actual muscular development in your face, and that only comes from consistent chewing of hard food like meat, hard vegetables, dry fruits, or simply a hard bubble gum will do the thing too. So the harder you chew, the more stronger your masseter gets, and the closer you get to achieve your peak masculine look. Number 3. Doing mouth breathing. Most guys have no idea they're doing it unconsciously. Sleeping with their mouth open, breathing through their mouth at the gym when doing workouts, sitting at a desk with their lips slightly parted all day. Over the years, this drops the jaw into a permanently open position and elongates the lower face. You don't notice it happening. You just look in the mirror one day and wonder why your face looks so long, or your nose looks forward and chin backward. The fix is mouth tape, which is a small, dedicated sleep tape over your lips before bed. It sounds extreme until you try it and wake up feeling more rested because of better oxygen exchange. Your nose will adapt within a few nights. Now, I know that most people mouth breathe because their nose is partially blocked and breathing through it feels like work. If chronic congestion is the issue, then address it directly. You cannot train yourself to nose breathe comfortably if the passage is always half shut. Practice deliberate nasal breathing during low-intensity moments like walking, sitting, and working. Then carry it into the workouts. Breathing through your nose during exercise is harder, but trains your body to treat nasal breathing as the default under any condition. It won't just give you a proper jawline, but also a deep sleep and recovery you haven't had in years. Number 4. Wrong tongue posture. Your entire tongue is supposed to rest flat against the roof of your mouth, not just the tip. If it's been sitting on the floor of your mouth your whole life, there's been zero upward pressure on your palate. That pressure is what drives forward and outward jaw development. Without it, the chin recedes, and the whole lower third of your face loses the structure it was supposed to build. This is the mechanic behind mewing, and it's not a trend, it's just a basic bone remodeling from sustained tongue force. The frustrating truth is, this should have been your default since you were an infant. Breastfed babies naturally develop this position because of how they have to work to feed. But bottle feeding, soft food early in childhood, and mouth breathing all interrupted that development for most people. So by the time you're an adult, the wrong position feels completely normal, and the correct one feels forced and unnatural. That feeling fades within weeks of consistent practice of mewing. Your tongue is a muscle, so it adapts to where you train it to sit. Number 5. Wrong head posture. Your head is 3 inches forward from where it should be. Phones, laptops, and desks have pulled your head forward off your spine, and that single postural shift ruins how your jaw presents to the world. You can have great bone structure with low body fat and a developed masseter, but forward head posture will still make your jaw look soft from every angle. This is a structural problem that demands a structural fix. No amount of corrective exercise will hold if you spend 8 hours a day recreating the problem. Your phone is the biggest culprit. Every time you look down at it, you are are loading your neck with the equivalent of 40 to 60 pounds of force and training your head to sit forward. Raise your phone to eye level when you're reading or scrolling. Raise your monitor so the screen sits at eye level when you're seated upright. These changes will reverse everything back to normal. A well-known exercise for this is chin tucks, like you're trying to make a double chin by sliding your head backward on a horizontal track. That motion physically repositions your head over your shoulders where it belongs. Repeat 2 to 3 times a day for 5 minutes. Within weeks, your posture in photos will look different. If you made it to the end of this video, you already know more about your jawline than most guys ever will. If this video gave you something useful, then like it so more people can find this information who genuinely need it, and hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.